So next topic is various types of the quadrilateral. So first is a parallelogram. So a quadrilateral is called a parallelogram if the both pairs of the opposite sides are equal and parallel. तो फिगर देखिए P Q R S एडजॉइनिंग फिगर में क्या हो रहा है, P S is parallel to Q R given and P Q is parallel to S R. So properties of parallelogram: the opposite sides are equal and the opposite sides are equal. So it means PQ is equal to SR and PS is equal to QR. Opposite angles are also equal. So diagonals bisect each other. तो अगर हम इसके डायगोनल्स को ड्रॉ करें अपोजिट वर्टेक्स को मिलाकर तो वो ईच अदर बाइसेक्ट, वो दोनों एक दूसरे को बराबर बराबर काटेंगे. बाइसेक्ट मीन्स दो बराबर हिस्सों में बांटना. द नेक्स्ट इज ए रेक्टेंगल, ए पैरेललोग्राम इन विच ईच एडजेंट एंगल. सो व्हाट इज सेइंग दैट ए पैरेललोग्राम इन विच ईच एडजेसेंट एंगल इज ए राइट एंगल. तो कोई भी ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम जिसके अंदर सभी के सभी एडजेसेंट एंगल राइट एंगल के होते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, रेक्टेंगल. ओके, सो दिस इज ए फिगर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. P Q R S, every angle is 90 degree, opposite sides are also parallel. So properties of a rectangle. So properties of a rectangle: the opposite sides are equal, each adjacent angle is a right angle, diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So next is square, a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal and adjacent angle is a right angle is called a square. So properties की बात करें, so what is the property of a square? So property of a square, all sides are always equal. सभी sides क्या होती हैं, equal होती हैं. Each adjacent angle is a right angle. So you know that CD side is adjacent with the BC. So here is adjacent angle 90 degree. So like this one, BC is adjacent AB. So this is angle B is adjacent. So AB is equal to AD. So AB and AD is also adjacent sides. So this angle is adjacent angle. So like AD and CD also. So all sides are equal. Each adjacent angle is a right angle. So every angle is 90 degree. Diagonals are equals. So diagonals always equal of a square and bisect each other at the right angle. The next topic is rhombus. So in the rhombus, a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal, so all sides are equal, is called a rhombus. So all sides are equal. So properties of a rhombus: all sides are equal like a square, opposite sides are parallel. So opposite sides are always parallel like a square. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at a right angle. So square की तरह डायगोनल्स इसमें भी एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं तो 90 डिग्री के एंगल पे करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज रोम्बस 90 डिग्री 90 डिग्री. दिस इज स्क्वायर बाइसेक्टिंग. सो दिस इज आल्सो 90 डिग्री. इज इट क्लियर? सो देन नेक्स्ट इज ट्रेपेजियम. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रेपेजियम. सो ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल हैविंग ओनली वन opposite pair is parallel is called a trapezium. So what is saying that a quadrilateral having only one opposite pair is parallel is called a trapezium. So here is a one pair only. So what is pair? PQ and SR. So this is a parallel. This is non-parallel lines. Okay. So this is a figure of trapezium. So one pair is parallel lines and other are non-parallel lines. Okay. Next is isosceles trapezium. So a trapezium whose non-parallel sides are equal is called as the isosceles. So here is one pair is parallel but non-parallel lines are also equal. So what is the name of this one? Isosceles trapezium. Okay. So what is the learning tips? Every rhombus is a parallelogram but the converge is not true. Okay. Every rectangle is a parallelogram but converge is not true. Every square is a parallelogram but the converge is not true. So every square is a rhombus but the converge is not true. So every square is a rectangle but the converge is not true. So next topic is kite. So are you looking figure of kite? Okay. So a quadrilateral is called a kite if has two pairs of equal adjacent sides but opposite sides are different. So what is saying that a quadrilateral is called a kite if it has two pair of equal, so it is two pairs equal adjacent sides, so this is equal to this one, this is equal to this one, but opposite sides are different, so this is a kite figure.